Hi guys, so as you can see I have a problem of Leetcode. It's a very famous array problem. So the problem says given integer array rounds return true. If the value appears one more times then return false. It's basically if there is a duplicate in a product or in a like straight line or something like that. So I have the solution. I actually wrote it. So first I defined. Okay, let me tell you the solution in a different way. Okay, just a minute. So yes, back to the same problem. I have made a nice flowchart about how to think and where to proceed. So for in Python, in any kind of program, we have to define a public class which will contain everything, and then we will define a function and its variables needed. Here in this the variables were the duplicates and the list. First we will define the list and then another variable unknown variable which will determine if there was a duplicate or not, and then decode the loops, what kind of loops are needed for the problem to be solved. Then introduce another loop, introduce of the first loop. Okay, so after you have decoded what kind of loops are needed, if loop, for loop or while loop, you have to introduce the relevant loop, and then in most cases there is a need of another loop, so I have introduced it in another loop, and then the equate the variables as it was given in the problem, and if the first check if the element exists or not, and then equate the variables with the given input, and then if it is false then return false. If if the element is equal to the target element, it's true, and that's the end of the program. So I hope the line of thought was simple and crisp. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.